Yeah, say hi guys! Prepping for kid's birthday. Nasa yung ilaw dito? Yan. Hi ka na sa vlog ko.
No post.
Yan, this is pabitin ba? Pasabit? Pabitin. Yan. Traditional Filipino kids game. This is, ito po yung laman. And these have Snickers and money prizes. Bawal mandaya. Ayan. Ready to ano na.
Lulahin natin bukas natin.
Okay na to.
Okay na yan?
Gumagasongket.
Sige, ako na maglalagay dyan ng ano.
Songket.
Okay, I want to show you guys the pabitin. It's ready for the kids. And my cousin. And then this is for the adults. I also want to show you guys the goodie bags. I had my cousin order these for me before we arrived. It's the Shopee backpack goodie bags. They're so cute. And I just went to the grocery store and put a bunch of snacks in here. There's actually more, but so far we're good to go for tomorrow. Ayan. Ay, ayaw mo sumama sa vlog ko. That's my cousin. So, now we're just in our... I'll give you guys a quick tour. This is our living room. This is the kitchen. Oh, my gimbal. There you go. This is our kitchen, the entryway, and upstairs over there. And the rooms are over here. And more upstairs. But, here's outside. We're just singing. Yarn. Layla.
My birthday.
It's your birthday party today. Okay, show us around. Okay, come on. Uh-huh.
And then come here.
Okay.
The new kitchen.
The new kitchen. Show your pasabit, pabitin. Right here. Oh, show. Okay, where?
We're gonna show you outside.
Show me outside. Okay. I don't have slippers here.
We're barefoot.
Okay, I'll be barefoot. It's locked. There you go. Okay, wait.
And then there's no parking motorcycle.
Okay.
They added a flap.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
And then we're gonna come here.
Uh-huh. Doon po sa kitchen.
In the backyard.
In the backyard.
Birthday.
It's gonna be your birthday. Are they setting it up na? Huh?
This is how it looks.
Do you like the color?
Yeah.
Oo, tsaka kapatid niyang lalaki. Okay. You want ice cream?
No.
No? Okay. Kuya, ice cream kayo.
And then we have some tables and some cups.
Okay.
And then
Wow.
chairs.
Cheers. Wow. Okay. Let's show the ice cream. Can you share it? Hello, guys. Mauna na.
Magkano sa'yo, ate?
10 po.
You want some? Balat na nga siya.
Kaya nga eh.
Uy.
Masarap yung queso gata nila. Gusto ko sherbet.
Ayan yung kabila.
May baso ba dyan? O apa gusto?
Hindi, ayoko pala. Ayoko. Mamaya na lang ako.
Pagkaligo muna.
Mm-mm.
Mommy. Mommy.
Mm.
Mommy.
And here's that. They're setting up the table. Come here, Layla. And this is the food
And then there's a
section.
water fountain.
This is, I don't know what this is supposed to be.
Mommy.
No.
And
We have water fountain. Yeah. Okay.
And that's it.
Yeah. And this is where the mobile would be.
Ayan po, may nagsishare na. Di aga-aga pa.
Sino nakakuha may papel? Yung mga walang nakakuha ng papel dito na. Upo na. Sino nakakuha may papel? Sinong may papel? Okay. May Ready na ba yung mga matatanda? Walang magsasakitan. Ready! Set! Go! Pumunta sa bilog ang nakakuha ng papel! Papel. Opo po! Kapag nakakuha, dito ka lang. Sino pa isa? May nakakuha na. Saan ka nakakuha? Saan ka?
Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep. Hooray!
Ready, set, go!
Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep. Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep.
Na lang. Ready, go!
Hep, hep. Hooray! 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 Hep, hep. Hooray!
Walang lalaban? Paano kung 1,000 yung papremyo? Paano pag 1,000? Marami pang tatayo.
Ayun na, oh.
Dito natin. Hep, hep, hooray!
Wala na bang mic?
Wala, may mic pa ba isa? Meron pa po? Ay, sorry. Sino? At ano mo, practice muna, wala nang sasali. Wala na? Wala na ba? Practice.
Pepet. Ray.
Tanggal na. Practice na. Pero dapat mas energetic. Itataas ang kamay. Pag walang nagtaas ng kamay, out na. Ready na? Ready? Game na to, wala nang practice ha. Ako muna. Ready, set, go!
Pepet.
Ray.
Hepe! Hepe! Hooray!
Pepet.
Ray.
Ray. Pepet.
Haba! Hooray! Haba! Hooray!
Dito naman.
Inauna mo! Hetes! Okay!
Ray.
Ikaw muna, ako pa. Hetes! Okay!
Pepet.
Energetic!
Pepet.
Ray! Ray! Hepe! Oh, closer! Compress!
Diyan naman. Puro ba dito?
Oh, ready? Set! Go! Hepe!
Ray.
Hebep.
Hooray!
Hebep.
Ray.
Hebep.
Hooray!
Hebep.
Hooray! Hepe!
Ray.
Hepe!
Ray.
Hepe!
Ray.
Hepe! Hooray!
Pepet.
Hooray!
Pepet.
Hooray! Hepe!
Wala.
Hepe!
Ray.
Hepe!
Ray.
Hepe!
Ray. Pepet.
Hooray!
Pepet.
Hooray!
Pepet.
Hooray!
Pepet.
Hooray!
Pepet.
Hooray! Ay, kita niyo si Ashley. Kita yung ano, kita yung babae. Ready, set, go!
Pepet.
Ray.
Pepet.
Oh.
Sorry.
Tama ito. Hoy, bakit Korea?
Dalawang palakpak dapat, ha? O, sige, eto. 1, 2, 3, go!
Pepet.
Ray.
Pepet.
Ray.
Pepet.
Ray.
Pepet.
Ray. Hebep. Hebep. Ray.
Hepe!
Ray.
Hepe!
Ray. Ray.
Pepet. Ray. Pepet. Ray. Pepet.
Hooray! 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 Hooray!
Pepet.
Hooray!
Pepet.
Hooray!
Pepet. Ray. Pepet.
Hooray! Hooray!
Pepet. Ray. Pepet.
Hooray!
Pepet.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Hooray! Hooray!
Hooray!
Ray. Pepet.
Hooray!
Pepet. Ray.
Ikaw na.
Ready? Set, go!
Pepet.
Ray.
Pepet.
Ray. Pepet.
Pepet.
Magkapatid nila. Ano muna daw? Dance number muna daw.
Okay, hati na.
Ikaw na.
Hati na lang.
Magkakapatid.
Hati na lang daw.
Kapatid niya.
Hati na lang daw.
Go.
Pepet. Ray. 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 Pepet.
Kami natalo.